our 48-inch natural gas salamander boiler. First off, the overall dimensions. Length of 48 inches, depth of 18 3/4 inches, and the height with the legs to the top of the gas pipe, we have at least 24 inches. Left and right burners. The shelf can be adjusted to 3 levels: first, second, and third level. Currently, the shelf is adjusted to the very last 3rd level. Left and right oil drip and waste pans. And the measurement for the center tray rack, we have 13 inches in depth, an overall length of 46 inches. Coming to your corner will be your ETL certification, along with the natural gas information and the gas pipe on top. For more information on this product, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this salamander. Thank you.